So here we go into 2025, and what should we talk about today? Well, I have an idea. I'd like to talk about this little thing called the H5N1 virus that originally was known as avian flu, which wiped out 50% of our poultry flock in the United States of America, which is why eggs are so expensive and you really have hard pressed to find them. Literally, I just came from the grocery store. There was a choice of like 12 cartons and an entire empty wall. And the biggest fear with H5N1, there's two of them actually. The biggest fear was that H5N1 was going to jump to swine because swine are the most like us, irony of irony, physiologically speaking, and the jump from pigs to humans is minuscule. And the fear was that it was going to mutate into pigs, which it did, and also into cattle, which it did, and that it would ultimately mutate into human beings, which it has. And the question that I have while I'm sitting here thinking about this one issue, and I got a whole bunch more to come over the next few days, is do you really honestly believe that our broken, crippled healthcare system is prepared for any sort of pandemic? I mean, people's memories are so short that nobody remembers the chaos of COVID. The refrigerator trucks full of dead people, the nurses, the doctors having nervous breakdowns over their inability to treat people because they didn't have the tools necessary to do it. The mental health crisis brought onto our healthcare workers by witnessing mass trauma of people dying left and right and their hopeless attempts to save lives knowing that they could not do so. Do you really honestly think that we are in any better shape today? No, we're not. We'd still be relying on China to buy masks, personal protection equipment, on and on and on. We haven't been stockpiling. We haven't been working on new virus controls. We have vaccines. We haven't been doing any of that because we've got an incoming government of vaccine deniers. Wow. Yeah, this is just the first thing in 2025 that we need to be worried about. But if you keep following me, follow, listen, comment, you're going to find out there's a whole lot more.